What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we're taking a deep dive into AICOPYTO's Silk PLA in Tricolor red, blue, and green. So, nice, easy to open box, which is great to see. Cardboard spool, which is good to see. I believe that this does have those easy to open tabs, which is also great to see here. But this is a PLA silk, so realistically, this is only for like aesthetics. But it does have the red, blue, and green, as you can see there, just depending on which way the light hits it. So as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the filament dryer, and I'll see you back here for the Benchy. All right, if you're new here, we always start out by printing a Benchy in generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio, in this case, generic PLA silk in Bamboo Studio. Let's go ahead and slice that up. Should take a little over an hour to get that done, so we're going to send that to the printer and all the other test prints, and here they are. So as you can see, this is the generic Benchy. Has a little bit of stringing, some issues there on the bow, for whatever reason, so we're going to try and rectify some of those, but otherwise looks pretty good. You can definitely tell it's a Benchy, which is always great to see. This nice reflective light coloring thing that we have going on is indicative of this filament. Again, all this is a trick of the light as I drop the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. Looks pretty good. Next up, we have the temperature tower. So the temp tower for this one, I would say the best one's probably 210. That one had the least amount of stringing, and the spike just generally looked pretty good throughout it. So that's always good to see. Next up, we have the retraction test. There was quite a bit of stringing initially on this. Just something to be on the lookout for. Just make sure your filament is super dry. Next up, we have the max volumetric speed test. This one kind of had some issues as we got to 20 millimeters cubed per second. So I'm going to recommend 18 as the max volumetric speed for this. There was some skipping there, like you can barely pick it up on camera, but it is definitely there. Overhang test. So the overhang test did fail right at about 50 degrees. It happens. Just consider enabling supports if you need some of the finer details with that. Anyway, we got those settings dialed in, and we reprinted that Benchy. Still a little bit of issues there on the bow, as you can see, the Benchy, but overall, I'd say pretty good, considering all things. So anyway, at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $18 per kilogram. Yeah, so anyway, that's been my overall thoughts on this one. Is that, you know, it's okay for aesthetics if you're looking for this tricolor thing, but there's a couple of better companies that I've found with these, so just do your research kind of thing. We'll be reviewing some more as we go forward. So, but anyway, that's been, so I can't really recommend this. So that's AICOPYTO's PLA silk in red, blue, and green tricolor. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. This has been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you next time.